Hi everyone, I'm up to this video where I'm going to be opening up this booster box of Star Wars Unlimited, the brand new Star Wars trading card game from Fantasy Flight. This is what it looks like brand new. It's got cellophane on with this branding on, Star Wars Unlimited branding, which is good. So you can tell it's a factory sealed box. I will take the cellophane off and we'll have a look at the design on the box first. So I've taken the cellophane off. Let me just open it up. That's how it's displayed in a shop, which looks really nice. We've also got some artwork around the sides. Bit of the blurb on here. I'll let you read that if you want to pause it. And on the other side we have, that's really nice, 24 booster packs in this box of boosters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open 6 packs per video, so that's 4 videos. I have got another box on the way, so depending how these pack opening videos go on YouTube, if they get lots of views and likes and everything, then I will do pack openings for my second box. So if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel just to let me know that you want to see more of these booster pack opening videos. So let's get on into it. We've got different designs, there's 3, so it looks like there's 2 of each in turn. So we've got the Grand Admiral Thrawn packs, then we have a Leia pack, and then we have the Chewbacca pack, and then the sequence probably duplicates again. So I'll literally go down the box and do 6 packs like that to open. I'll quickly show you the artwork first. There's the back of the pack along with the odds. So each pack has 16 cards in, approximately 1 leader, 1 base backed with a token, 9 commons, 3 uncommons, 1 rare or legendary, and 1 premium foil. However, there are hyperspace variants which appear throughout the packs. I finally realised after opening my pre-release pack set thing. So thanks for all your comments on that video. It's helped me work out that there were some more hyperspace variants that I completely missed in my video. Hopefully that won't happen again, but you never know. Some of them do look quite similar to the original cards. Packs are like made of paper, sort of a thick paper with some foiling on it. I'm presuming these can be recycled, that's why they've done paper packs. So we start off with a leader. This is Sabine Wren. Leaders are always double-sided. Ooh, hyperspace base card of Kestro City with a hyperspace token of experience token on the back. I do like these hyperspace cards. I can't really collect them all though because it's going to cost too much money, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll keep hold of them for the moment, I'm guessing. Then we get the regular cards, so these are commons. Make an opening, Cantina Braggart, Consortium Star Viper, Death Trooper, ooh, a Wampa, that's cool. Super Laser Technician, Disarm, Cell Block Guard, ooh, and a Cell Block Guard hyperspace card. So you can see the difference there. It's like extended art. As I go along, I am going to separate out these hyperspace cards, so I'm going to get them mixed up with everything else. So we've got an uncommon here of Ruthless Raider. Uncommon of Yoda. An uncommon of Cantina Bouncer. Rare card is Regional Governor. Ooh, that's cool. A foil of the medical frigate Redemption. That looks really nice. Again, I love the design of the medical frigate, but wow, that looks really nice. It is just the standard foil, not the hyperspace, but even so, it looks really good. So as we go along, I am going to separate out these cards off screen just into the rarities, just so it's easier for me to organise once I've finished my box. And that also means that I can add up the totals of each type. So in the fourth video, when I've finished opening all the packs, I'll be able to give you a box breakdown, which I think would be really handy for people to hear what pull rates that I've managed to get out of this box. So layer pack next. Not that the pack design has any bearing on the cards you get, but we do start off with another hyperspace card. This is Director Krennic, so that's really nice. And then we get the standard version of Kestro City, so remember we've just got the hyperspace card of that. So you can see, if I can get both on screen. See the extended art, the bases do look nice in this hyperspace version. And that's backed with a shield token, which is interesting because the hyperspace is backed with an experience token. So yeah, that's interesting. Then we get the common cards. So we get Battlefield Marine, Rebel Pathfinder, Make an Opening, First Legion Snowtrooper, Consortium Star Viper, Death Trooper, Snapshot Reflexes, Lothal Insurgent, Confiscate. Oh, nice. Uncommon, we get a Rogue Squadron Skirmisher, or Snowspeeder as I like to call it. So that's a really nice card. Ruthless Raider, again, we just got that. And Entrenched. Rare card is Admiral Akbar. I think we got him in my pre-release box. And the foil is a common foil of Consortium Star Viper. So next we have the Chewbacca pack. And we start off, yay, with Jyn Erso, leader of Jyn Erso there. And then we have the base of Cloud City, Administrator's Tower, backed with an experience token. Then we get the commons, Cantina Braggots, Vanguard Infantry, Alliance X-Wing, Restored Arc 170, Repair, Wampa, Swoop Racer, Cell Block Guard, ISB Agent. Uncommons we get Bosk, Hardpoint Heavy Blaster, and Rallying Cry. Rare card is Agent Callus. Foil, Saw Gerrera, a rare foil. That's cool. That's nice. Pack number 4. Leader we get is Hera Syndulla. It's nice, I haven't got her yet. She's a rare leader. Capital City Lothal with a shield. Then we get a Green Squadron A-Wing, Recruit, Wilderness Fighter, Open Fire, Mercenary Company, Infiltrator's Skill, Mining Guild TIE Fighter, Outer Rim Headhunter, Snowtrooper Lieutenant. Uncommons we get Wing Leader, No Good to Me Dead. Oh, and Hyperspace of the Ghost. Still uncommon, but it's a hyperspace card. Yay, we get Lando. That's the rare card. That's nice. And then we get the foil of Bosk, who we've just got in previous pack. Just the standard foil of him. Pack number 5. Ooh, hyperspace standard version of Emperor Palpatine. He's a rare leader. So it's nice to get the hyperspace version of him. Then we get the Command Center Death Star with experience token. Then the other commons we get are Alliance X-Wing, Repair, First Legion Snowtrooper, Vanguard Infantry, ooh, we haven't got him before, Cloud City Wingguard, Keep Fighting, ISB Agent, Corellian Freighter, yay, Jawa Scavenger, General Tag is our first uncommon, Carabast, and Baze Malbus. Rare card is the Emperor's Legion, and then the foil, it's a hyperspace foil of the Wampa. Amazing. That's really nice. Definitely my favourite one so far. So, last pack for this video. Pack number 6. Leader is Chewbacca. That's funny. He is a common leader. We get the Catacombs of Kadera, Jeddah. Again, common. Then we get Alliance Dispatcher, Cargo Juggernaut, Spec Force Soldier, Steadfast Battalion, Vigilant Honor Guard. See, even these are new commons, I haven't seen these before. Jeddah Agitator, Swoop Racer, Tai LN Fighter, Surprise Strike. Uncommons we get Vanguard Ace, Prepare for Takeoff, and Force Surrender. I love that card because it's Phantom Menace. I just love that bit of the movie. I said that in the last video. And the rare card is Electro Staff. Foil is 2-1B Surgical Droid. Looks really nice. It is a common foil. So, not too bad. I don't think we got any legendary rare cards, unfortunately. I don't know how common they are, but I think they're about, is it 3 a box? I'm not sure. But these are all the hyperspace cards we get, including one hyperspace foil. It's not too bad. We've got a rare Emperor Palpatine and obviously the Wampa. So that's the first video done. There'll be 3 more for this box, 6 packs of videos, so look out for them in the coming days. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.